Okay, so everyone, today we're gonna learn the Vilom Shabda, which means opposites for Hindi grammar. So let's start. So we can see here there are two glasses, one with the water, more water, and one with less. So we call them as adhik or kam. Adhik means more and kam means less. So those two are Vilom Shabda. Then bada, chota, big and small. काला सफेद ब्लैक एंड वाइट। उपयुक्त सभी युगल शब्दों एक दूसरे का विपरीत अर्थ दर्शा रहे हैं, अतः यह विलोम शब्द है। It means that the above given names, or you can say words, indicate big, small. So they show the opposite. So those are known as opposite words, Vilom Shabd. So let's see the definition. The definition is किसी शब्द का विपरीत या उल्टा अर्थ देने वाले शब्द को विलोम शब्द कहते हैं, या फिर किसी शब्द का विपरीत या उल्टा शब्द देने वाले शब्द विलोम शब्द कहलाते हैं। नीचे कुछ विलोम शब्द की सूची दी जा रही है। Over here now we have a big table with many opposite words. So we're gonna read them, but not all. We're gonna read some specific words. Okay, and I will explain you the English meaning also. So first we'll do 6, Anuj, Agraj. 7, Upkar, Apkar. 14, लाभ हानि. 16, प्रेम घृणा. 20, बाढ़ सूखा. बाढ़ means flood and सूखा means drought. 24, शिक्षित अशिक्षित means शिक्षित means educated and ashikshit means uneducated. Then we have राजा रंग. आदि अंत. सरल कठिन. सरल means easy and कठिन means hard. Then ऊपर नीचे. ऊपर means up and नीचे means down. So these were some specific ones. We can do one more, which is जीवन, मृत्यु और मरण. Okay, so let's see some विशेष. विलोम शब्दों के तत्सम के विपरीत तत्सम और तद्भव के विपरीत तद्भव शब्द की होने चाहिए। विलोम शब्द उपसर्ग लगाकर भी बनाए जाते हैं, जैसे शुद्ध और अशुद्ध, यश, अपयश आदि। कुछ विलोम शब्द उपसर्ग बदलने से भी बनते हैं, जैसे आसितक और नासितक, उत्कृष्ट, निकृष्ट आदि. So I hope you understand what is Vilom Shabda. It's like opposite, like day and night means din, raat. Alasya spurthi, कायर वीर, and etc. You can say आसमान प्रस्थान, आगमन प्रस्थान, not आसमान, sorry. अपमान सम्मान, सख्त कोमल, चिंचित निश्चिंत, इच्छा अनिच्छा, स्नेह घृणा. So like there are many of them. You can pause my video and learn all of them if you want, but I told some specific ones which I felt it'll be easy for you to learn. Okay, so you can pause my video and look at the rest of them. Okay, you can look at these for 5 seconds so you can easily pause. Then we have one more page. Okay, let's try to do some of the exercises. निम्नलिखित शब्दों के सही विलोम शब्द के सामने दिए गए बक्से में टिक का निशान लगाइए. Okay, so this exercise you all can do, and at the end of the video I will show the answers also. The next one is नीचे दिए गए चित्रों के आधार पर उनके विलोम शब्द लिखिए. So you have to look at the pictures and then you have to write the vilom shabd. So the first question's meaning is, there are some vilom shabds given over here. You have to see if they are correct. If they are correct, you can put a tick in this box. The second one is, you have to look at the pictures and write the vilom shabd. Okay, we can do these two exercises. Okay, the first one. The second one. Okay, let's see the answers. Okay, so here are the answers. Yogya, Duyogya is wrong. The correct answer is Ayogya. Yash, Suyash is wrong. The correct answer is Apyash. Utsthan, Gaman is wrong. Correct answer is Patan. Adi, Ant is the correct. Adan, Den is wrong. The correct answer is Pradhan. Prem, Grihna is correct. Shuddha, Apavitra is wrong. Ashuddh is the correct answer. Saral, Mushkil is wrong. Kathin is the correct answer. Then for the next one, I wrote only 2 answers. The rest 3 answers you have to send me in the comment box. So the Kha is Bard. Gha is Raja. So Ka, Ga and Da. You have to send me the answers in the comment section below. Okay, so that was Vilom Shabda which we learned today. Hope you understood Vilom Shabda. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed learning Vilom Shabda with me. Bye!